In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a group email in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to your Contacts tab on your main dashboard. This is where all your connections are stored. Once you're in the Contacts section, go ahead and click on the People option. This will bring up your complete contact list, allowing you to see everyone you've been in touch with. Now that you have your list up, it's time to select the recipients of your group email. You'll see little checkboxes next to each name. You can either click these boxes individually to highlight specific people, or if you want to send the email to everyone in your list, there's a handy Select All option available. Just keep in mind who you're sending the email to. Make sure it's the right group. Once you have your recipients selected, you'll want to initiate the group email. Look for the button labeled Send Group Email at the top of the list. Click on that, and you're off to the next step. But before we dive into writing the email, let's clean up our list a little bit. This is an important step, so pay close attention. You'll want to filter out or remove any selected contacts that don't have an email address listed. Sending emails to contacts without email addresses will only lead to delivery errors. To ensure smooth sailing, double-check your list and make sure everyone you're sending this email to is reachable. Now that your list is clean and ready to go, it's time to choose your template. Pipedrive offers a variety of email templates that you can select from. Take a moment here to find one that suits your message. Think about the tone you'd like to convey. Whether it's formal, friendly, or promotional, there's likely a template that matches your needs. Once you've found the right one, feel free to customize it to make it more personal or specific to your audience. This can really help in connecting with your recipients. With your template selected and edited, the next step is to review everything carefully. Start by giving your subject line a quick proofread. Is it engaging enough? Does it accurately reflect the content of your email? Then, look over the main content to ensure it flows well and conveys your message. This is your chance to catch any typos or awkward phrases, so take your time here. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to click that big Send Messages button. Go ahead and take a deep breath. This is the moment you've been waiting for. After you press Send, your email will be delivered to everyone on your list. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a group email in Pipedrive. And now you're ready to share your message with multiple contacts all at once. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful,